If you're looking for a simple slow cooker meal with minimal preparation, I recommend this slow cooker jerk chicken recipe. For simplicity, I've used a jar of my favourite jerk paste with just a few other ingredients. So I've used boneless chicken thighs, a chopped onion, some frozen chopped garlic. You can of course just use fresh garlic cloves, a chopped red and green pepper, and then I've used my favourite jerk paste, which is this one by Walkerswood. I've ordered it from Amazon. There's a link in the description down below if you want to buy it as well. Unfortunately, I've not been able to find it in any of my local supermarkets, but you might get lucky depending on where you live. I like this particular brand of jerk paste much more than any other ones I've tried. It seems to taste the most authentic to me, and it's really nice and hot and got a nice spice kick to it. It's also really good for spreading on some chicken legs or chicken thighs and cooking in the air fryer or on the barbecue. I've added 3 tablespoons of the jerk paste, which for me resulted in a medium heat. You can, of course, add more or less. So mix the chicken in with the paste, and if you have time, leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, or better still, overnight if you're preparing it ahead of time. So next, add the marinated chicken thighs directly to the slow cooker. There's no need to add any water or any other liquid. The juices will slowly release from the chicken as it cooks. So next, add the peppers, so the green peppers and the red peppers. Then add the chopped onion, followed by the chopped or crushed up garlic. So next, give everything a quick stir around before placing the lid on the slow cooker and cooking it on low for 4 to 6 hours or high for 2 to 3 hours. These timings don't have to be exact, so you could leave it for a little bit longer. When you're ready, take the lid off and check the chicken is cooked. The liquid will likely be quite thin, but if you want to thicken it up, you can do so by adding a little corn flour. I prefer to remove the chicken pieces first and then make up a corn flour slurry by mixing in 1 tablespoon of corn flour with either 2 tablespoons of cold water, or you can take some liquid from the slow cooker, which is actually my preferred method, and then stir it into that. Then return the chicken to the slow cooker and set the slow cooker to high and cook it with the lid off for about 10 to 15 minutes, and this should thicken the sauce up. When the sauce is at your preferred thickness, you can switch the slow cooker off and serve it. We really enjoyed this with some rice, but you could have it with a side salad or even shred the chicken and serve it over a jacket potato or in a tortilla wrap. Hope you've enjoyed this slow cooker recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes.